Today, we will learn 20 pairs of confusing English words and their meanings to help differentiate between them.
Accept. Accept. Accept means to receive or agree to something. Accept means excluding or with the exception of. Affect. Affect. Affect means to influence or have an impact on something. Effect means the result or outcome of an action. There. There. They are. There means belonging to a group. There means a location or place. There means a contraction of they are. Your. You are. Your means shows possession. Your means a contraction of a you are. Its. Its. Its means shows possession. Its means a contraction of it is. Principle. Principle. Principle means a fundamental truth or rule. Principal means the head of a school or a sum of money invested. Loose. Lose. Loose means not tight or relaxed. Lose means to be unable to find or retain something. Complement. Complement. Compliment means something that completes or enhances another. Compliment means a polite expression of praise or admiration. Stationery. Stationery. Stationery means not moving or still. Stationery means writing materials like paper and envelopes. Allude. Elude. Allude means to suggest or hint at something indirectly. Elude means to escape or avoid something or someone. Farther. Further. Farther means refers to physical distance. Further means refers to an extension of time or degree. Capital. Capital. Capital means a city serving as a center for government or finance. Capital means the building where a legislative body meets. Weather. Weather. Weather means refers to the conditions in the atmosphere. Weather means a conjunction used in conditional statements. Then. Than. Then means refers to a specific time in the past or future. Then means used for making comparisons. Beside. Besides. Beside means next to or at the side of. Besides means in addition to or apart from. Principal. Principal. Principal means the head of a school or a person who has authority. Principle means a fundamental truth or guiding belief. Pique. Pique. Pique means the highest point of something. Pique means a feeling of irritation or curiosity. Cite. 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 Cite means to quote or reference. Cite means a location or place. Sight means the ability to see or something that is seen. Breathe. Breath. Breathe means the act of taking in and expelling air. Breath means the air taken into the lungs during breathing. Lend. Borrow. Lend means to give something temporarily. Borrow means to take something temporarily from someone else.
Understanding the distinctions between these words can help improve your English language skills and avoid common mistakes in writing and conversation.